Hi guys, I am super excited to try this Crayola Crayon Melter. It looks super fun. You get to use crayons and you melt them and make a beautiful picture. I'm really excited to see how this works. Okay, so I have opened up the box and inside there were some crayons, some practice sheets for you to practice on, the stand for the crayon melter. This is a cleaner and also a scraping tool. So it came with these crayons that don't have the wrapper on it. But if you have your Crayola crayons that still have the wrapper on it, you can still use them. You just take this and you're going to slide it down the crayon and it will remove the paper from the crayon. But this came with all of these already unwrapped, and then the tool, and this is the stand to hold that in there. So I've already plugged this in, but if you need help plugging it in, this to the machine or into the wall, please get help with that. So I'm going to go plug it in right now and then show you how this works. Okay, I've plugged it in and it has this nice little guide here that shows you that just that little bit of crayon is going to make that much. So you don't want to put a lot in there, because if you want to change colors, you have to wait until one color is gone before you can put a different color in. So I'm just going to put that little teeny bit in there and see how this works. So you just break it off, and then right here at the top, you just push it in there, and that's going to melt it. And you have to let it sit for about 30 seconds to a minute or so. And then I'm going to use one of these practice sheets. So it also came with this, the lion and the fish. They're super cute. Okay, so this is a good practice sheet that it came with so that you can kind of get the feel of how it works before you actually do your picture. So I actually went and just got a scrap piece of paper first, just because I'm curious how it works. So I'm going to just take it out of the holder, and it says to hold it up, just straight up and down, and just gently, oh look at that, that is really cool. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how you can do pretty much anything you want with it. You can write, it comes out really smooth. And this is my channel name, Jenka Toys and Crafts. I appreciate you watching. Hope that you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe. It really helps me out. And there you go, there's the Crayola Crayon Melter.